If you're wondering how to become an eyelash extensionist, then stay tuned to this video. For business, inspiration, beauty, life, and enjoyment, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified when I post a new video every Wednesday. Becoming a professional lash stylist is not the hardest thing to do these days, but to be a true professional, stay tuned for some necessary steps you should take. I am Elizabeth Jennings, and I am a beauty business entrepreneur and a master lash artist. I've been doing eyelash extensions since 2008, and I've literally worked with thousands of women and some men in my years of being a professional lash stylist. And it's a bit easier to become an eyelash stylist these days than it was many years ago. But don't let the ease of becoming a lash stylist these days fool you. I believe to be seen as a true professional, you should take professional training by someone who has been doing eyelash extensions consistently for at least 5 years. The next thing you should do is take the necessary steps to get your confidence level up in performing the art of eyelash extensions. Listen, you can take training from the best professionals in the world. But if your confidence level is low, then you're always going to be performing a cut rate level service at best because you're second guessing yourself. The best way to get your confidence level up is to practice, practice, practice. Eat, sleep, and breathe eyelash extensions, perfection, and performance. Practice on as many people as you can, and I highly recommend beginning your practice on people that you know, like, and trust, because that is also going to help ease your level of tension. And honestly, sometimes the people that you know, like, and trust, they can be some of the hardest critics. So if you can trust them to give you honest critique, then you definitely are on your way up. Finally, let's consider your first consistent year of application of eyelash extensions pure practice. And that's even if you're getting paid. Because of the detailed work and the many types of eyes and styles of natural lashes that you'll be working with, that first year will make or break you. Trust me, I know. And if you continue at it, you will see your skills and your application on the rise, and the progress in skills and the services that you are providing. So today we got to talk about how to become an eyelash extensionist or a professional lash stylist. If you are not a trained professional, or even if you have had some training in the past, I have a book that I wrote about the facts that you should know about performing the art of eyelash extensions and the facts about becoming an eyelash extensions professional. The link is in the description box, so click that link and get your copy today. Thank you for liking this video, subscribing, and commenting below with a thumbs up if this video helped you. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comments for me. I look forward to answering them for you. And until next time, I hope you have an amazingly blessed and beautiful day.